Oh, what's up? So, I got something pretty interesting. I picked up a 24-70 at 2.8 for $25. Now, I got it from a client of mine. They were moving to LA, so I knew that this thing is broken, unfortunately. I offered them $25. They said, sure, take it. So, one thing that's wrong with this. Well, I don't know. Hopefully it's one thing. It might be a bunch of things. This rear lens back here, the one that bolts into the camera with the C-mount, this thing is super wobbly. And, you know, I think someone probably just dropped this. One of their other photographers, maybe. Whoa. Is that supposed to happen? Probably. I'm going to send this to New Jersey and see what they have to say about it. I'm thinking it's going to cost anywhere between $160 and $250, hopefully. Okay, I'm going to package this thing up and send it to New Jersey and see what Canon has to say. So I just got an email back from CPS, and let's see what they have to say about this. Okay, so blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. All right, let's check this estimate out. So what did I say? $350 is like the max I want to spend. Oh, okay. So $427.88 is my total, which is a little bit high, but, you know, I'm still going to go for it. It's still a great deal. So we are back, and I just got the lens back from Canon. So let's bust this thing open. Nice. Cool. For $427. Eh. Cool. It looks great. So they fixed that rubber grip area, which is a nice little add-on. Yeah, everything else looks good. Uh-oh. Ah, so they had it locked down. Whoa. Looks great. Glass looks good. All right, let's get this on the camera real quick. Autofocus works great. Yeah, not bad. But everything else looks great. Sweet. So that's oh, Eric's here right now. All right, I'm out of here. Peace.